paradoxes, which is paradoxes are ambiguous. But depends on the context, whether it's a noun or a verb or adjective or adverb, pronoun. It's a whole different grammatical subject. So paradoxes is based on contradictory, polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, or contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically is considered a paradox, a duality, and ambiguity simultaneously, because paradoxes is based on contradictory, ambiguity deals with indecisiveness. You know, we see that in abstract visual art, where the art may have ambiguous interpretations, multiple interpretations. And because we have the wave particle duality in light, it means that the wave particle duality in light is a paradox, simultaneously dualistic. Hence the reason they call it a wave particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. You know, duality and contrast to polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever.